There has been peace for as long as I can remember. But the shadows are getting longer.
What are you?
What?
Have you eaten my chickens? They're not even your chickens. Leave them alone.
No, don't worry. Chill out. I lay eggs as well. Look. Oh, tasty eggs. Oh.
I must see the king.
I'm echo, just a speckle on the birch trees round the valley. I once did see in front of me everything built in harmony. So now I must go to the king.
King Brawler, we need your help. The village needs royal protection and intervention.
Yeah, I do agree that things have been going a bit downhill recently.
Will you help save our village?
Gimpy. Where's Gimpy?
My lord? Who is this man who stands before you? He wants to steal your power, I can sense it.
Probably not, to be honest. Ezekiel, we'll deliver the funding to your village. We'll call it the Village Renewal Program. Ask, and you shall receive.
Praise Lord and old me khaki. Me plans come together rather smooth as of late.
Lord Bannockburn is a particularly devilish second homeowner. He recently moved up north after acquiring a tower in the Highlands. Soon after, he chose the name Bannockburn to fit in with the locals. Bannockburn is composed primarily of flesh, bone, wood, and titanium, with stainless steel hands. Even each of his fingers serve a different but equally malicious purpose. Lighter, welder, corkscrew, grappling hook, shard of glass, teeth, lighthouse.
And will all the villagers be infected? I'll send them my faithful little nephew Gonzo. Uncle! Now my faithful nephew has many a talent. He can tie a bowline knot, glue rocks to his knuckles, as seen right before your eyes. Gonzo, are you listening, me boy? You will flatten the village. You are to round up all the infected villagers and put them to work. While I construct a glorious steel mill where the sleepy village did lie. Me and you, Gonzo, we could be amazing. We could be rather good. Bye bye. Be wonderful. Bye bye. Come see me crooked objects. I have one for you. Right, boy. Happy Christmas. It's time you pick yourself a present. But there's a catch. You must pick a blade suitable for stabbing up that Echo lad lest he interferes. Oh, that's a good choice, that. Pick that one. Goodbye. Goodbye, faithful boy.
Anyone there? Hello? Anyone there? Hello? My king! The village has been destroyed! We need the village renewal scheme! The doorway sniffer. He knows all the king's secrets. Sniffer, you know what happened here, don't you? Tell me.
It'll cost you
How much?
20 quid.
20 quid. Okay, sure, here you go. Now tell me, where are the villagers?
Lord Bannockburn wants to build a huge steel mill on top of your village.
We see no sun, we have no
He thinks it'll be really funny. He's using King Brawler as a puppet. Also, be wary of his nephew Gonzo. He's a prickly one.
Thank you, Sniffer. I won't forget this.
One more thing, Ethel. Have you ever been underground?
No?
Oh, you'll love it. My wife was taken from me and locked in the dark crypt by skeletons. You're a big, strong, beautiful boy, Ethel. Why don't you go down there and rescue her? Reunite us.
Ah, okay, I see. I'll go now. Don't worry, I'll stop them.
You won't last 5 minutes in there.
I only need 2. Through those woods, Doorway Sniffer will meet you. I must go.
Thank you.
If I bury myself in the ruins of the village, I'll be right in the center of the steel mill when it's built.
"20 years in the company doing things society needs. Building steel mills, pulping trees and stomping out the seeds. Grinding bones for flour as the bauxite suits your lungs. And doing your bit for the Lord as you're climbing up the rungs. Oh, my dear old uncle took me in at an early age. Now I set the dinner table while he sets the stage. I really owe him all me charms and evil machinations. And so will you after a year cemented to your stations. Back to work! Our dear old steel mill will bring jobs throughout the town. But that's because the village and their houses got knocked down. I climbed this wretched ladder, rusted with the grime of scrubs, who lost their ways and lost their pay and now drink down the pubs. Everything I built is built on blood and sweat and lungs of the other workers when I'm climbing up the rungs. At the new steel mill? Are you working at the new steel mill? Are you working at the new steel mill? There's a decent way to pay your bill. See no sun, we have no fun, but who are we to grumble for the room and bed and the 2 times fed to who are we to tumble? Give me a dance number! Back to work!
Don't worry, I'll free you. You'll need a real trick up his sleeve to stop me.
What's this then? Better go assist me nephew. Right. Where's the manual? No, ain't all that. Come on. I'll get this damn thing to work. Good. The shallow dry turf, the stones set upon, the stealing white toecat knighted. Sir Regolith, you will form the foundation for the realm of my metal fist. I appointed the grasses as my second in command, so I won the hearts of the masses, on the speck among the blackness, exacerbating madness. Yet the sun draws me nearer to the dome. Mars has no air. The payroll calls me. Bring me over locks and springs. Turn me away. Cogs and springs. Rub-a-dub-dub. I return to Scotland.
What's wrong with you, Gonzo? Why are you so cruel?
Okay, I'll tell you. When I was born, my mother and father thought I was a bit odd. I kept crying and making strange noises. I couldn't be the real son. It was then that my parents realised I must have been swapped out by the fairies. That the fairies would come back for me soon. So they left me in the woods. A changeling baby. But the fairies didn't come. And then... my uncle was the first person to ever show me kindness and understanding. He raised me to be a normal boy, despite my curse.
Gonzo, you're so fake. There's no such thing as fairies.
You are?
You're a human being. You've always been a human being, my friend. Warped by your uncle for sure, but human, that's definitely true. You feel this? I'm sorry for what your real parents did to you. It was superstition, folklore.
Wowie!
Lord Bannockburn, I've got a warrant for your arrest. Your steel mill exceeds the height of the planning permission. Come quietly, you horrible little man.
All right, we'll arm wrestle. Arr! Oh, princess, here's why I love ya. You wear that pink dress, I flew over the moon for you. Oh, princess, it was all in my plan. I saved you from skeletons, I escaped from the Norman, and pile of things for you. For you. Oh, princess, I know nothing about you. I never heard you say a word, but I swear I've never met a finer bird. Princess, for you. I fly in Sleepy Village with a JCB for ya. I pumped the gruesome bilge in the briny sea for ya. I dressed in an ant-ear, I made all these plans to steer. I'll change the whole world round, I invented the broadband for you. Oh, princess, here's why I love you. I'll give up everything, including me nephew. That echo that stalked him, and I know that that's true. But will you marry me? 'Cause I know that I love you.